We're going over all the details of how to start, so the configuration on Hlwm, and we're at the movements. There is a key binding that says mod left, focus to the left, focus down, focus up, focus right. So that's the arrows, and these are the keys. Yeah, I think I was just thinking, I think it's the same in QWERTY as in AZERTY, so I don't think it's gonna change for any of us. So we need to have something to focus on. So Ctrl-Alt-T, see the screen key is off again. Oops. Super Shift D, screen key. So that's one of the menus you have. Ctrl Shift D, and we have it up here. With a Ctrl T, you can actually add some more to it. So super left is going to focus. How do you see it? With the lines that are becoming blue, the ArcoLinux blue, of course, and it's going to move along to the side. Down if something is there, or up, but it's as simple as that. And then H is going like this, and I should do left and right. So that's L. L is this one. So you see, I'm not really keen to using those guys. I rather like to use the arrows, which is pretty simple. So that's about moving, focusing actually, and movement, focusing in clients. But basically, let's be honest, I tend to just click on whatever I want to be focused. All right, next up, moving clients.